Hey guys, quick update on Hypo Cup 6. First of all, I have a very important question. Would you rather see me stream Hypo Cup 6 on Twitch or here on YouTube? Please let me know in the comments. Then there's a team change as well. After some controversy during the draw, I decided to scrap Israel from the tournament and host a little qualification between 5 Asian teams. I can hereby announce that Central Asia, including the likes of Henrik Mkhitaryan, Eldar Shomurodov and Alexander Merkel, will replace them in Group B. Then in terms of when the tournament starts, the cup will commence on May 30th and last till July 24th. If it happens to be that many of you are with holidays in the latter phase, you cannot predict the quarterfinals, semifinals and finals, then it will take a break with the cup and resume in September most likely, but preferably that doesn't need to happen. If you want to predict, the predictor format is also in the description. In the predictor format, information about scores and prizes are included. Most importantly though, is that you will fill in all the green spaces. Here is an example of how that could look like. But please do not copy these results, as they are very unlikely results, and in the lower section the teams are actually not even qualified. So you're definitely not gonna get any points if you literally just copy and paste it. If 12 or more of you decide to predict, I will break down the predictors into 2 groups. One for those who watch often and one for those who barely watch or don't watch at all. This was a suggestion from 2 years ago that I kinda liked, so I decided to implement it, but if everyone disagrees with it, then you can also let me know in the comments, then I will not do that. Finally, in the upcoming weekend, I will make the characters for the family teams. If you want to be included, either tell me in the comments, DM or through the Google format. Everyone will receive a rating of 70, but as soon as you submit your predictions, I will boost your rating to at least 75 and to a maximum of 84. Submit predictions at the latest on Sunday, May 29th. And if you want to customize your family team character, regardless of whether you are a predictor or not, then fill in the other Google forms and or attend the character making stream, which is of course next weekend. Anyways, have a good one. Predicting and participating is free, so make sure to join and predict before May 30th. Bye bye.